In today's video, I am going to teach you how to subscribe to Telegram Premium. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the subscription option, how to choose the plan that suits you, and what you'll get once you upgrade. Start by opening the Telegram app on the main screen. Look to the top left and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, go to Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Telegram Premium and tap it. This takes you to the Premium page where everything you need is in one place. Here, you can choose whether you want to subscribe monthly or annually. The monthly plan is great if you want flexibility and prefer to pay as you go. The annual plan covers the whole year in one go, and is typically the better long-term value if you know you'll use the extra features regularly. Take a moment to decide which billing cycle fits your needs and your budget. Once you've made your choice, tap the subscribe button below. You'll be redirected to the official Premium bot to complete your purchase. This is Telegram's trusted checkout flow. Tap Pay to begin, and then choose your payment method. The options you see depend on your country and platform, so the app will show you what's available where you are. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to finish. The process is quick, and you'll get confirmation right in the app when your subscription is active. As a general security tip, only proceed within the official Telegram interface. And don't share any sensitive information in chats. Now, let's quickly cover what you gain with Telegram Premium. First, increased limits. You'll be able to double the number of chats, media, and folders you can organize, which is especially helpful if you use Telegram for work, communities, and personal conversations all at once. Second, larger uploads. Premium lets you share files up to 4 GB, so sending long videos, high-res media, or big project files becomes simple. Third, faster speeds. Downloads and media loading are noticeably quicker, which makes everyday use smoother and more efficient. Fourth, exclusive features. You'll unlock animated profile pictures for a more dynamic look, voice-to-text conversion to quickly read audio messages when you can't listen, unique reactions to stand out in chats, and a wide range of custom emoji to personalize your conversations. Finally, no ads. Premium removes sponsored messages in public channels, giving you a cleaner reading experience. That's it. Thanks for watching.